I want to be president. For what? Is it for Eba? Is it for Gary? Is it for beans? I want to be president for you. Drive me there.
Photo. May God not allow them make them kill you.
Great morning.
You dey use your function to play.
I want to be president. I want to be president. Is it for Eba? I want to be president.
He dey smoke
I
Igbo.
want to be president. Is it for Gary? I want to be president.
You think say you dey wise? You are a
I want to be president. Is it for beans?
Continue.
I want to be president.
Jesus, my brain
I want to
one
be
blow.
president. I want to be president for you.
Are you playing? What type of play is this?
Great morning.
Okay. Where are my workers? Why is everywhere so quiet like this? When I write post no be,
I don't want peace.
I
want problems always.
I will kill you today.
Yeah!
I will use
Run,
Don't
no.
worry, I don't want. When I write post no be, you have to go come and write call for plumber. Don't worry, I will show you shit.
You can wish. You can wish. Wish that is blood body.
Hello,
You can wish.
Mr. Plumber.
Hello? Yes, my name is Brave. Yes, I am the plumber, sir.
Just a
Do
play.
you need any plumber work?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Yes. So now which location are you there, sir? Yes. Now for that
God
place where I
have
write,
mercy
come for
on
plumber
us.
today. Yes, sir. I'm a good plumber, sir. Bunch of work. Thank you. I'm coming now. 2 minutes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Ozubo, I beg. No, don't keep me waiting, no. Okay.
No.
I go damage you today. Now you are going to use as scapegoat. Make us see any issue. They come right jargon for this time. Why I use my half phone to help you. For this Nigeria way this day they change things anyhow.
70 years old man. Oh, I'm not too much.
This is play.
My bag.
You were not informed too.
How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
You only knew what
Apostle, we hear of this.
He dey smoke Igbo.
I don't know. Where the engineer for here? I don't know. Where the plumber? Where the engineer? Would you know me? You know see what I like for this thing. You know that today. You know any videos I don't spend for this side. I don't see on that. You don't know money. You want? I don't get that. I'm not an animal.
Yeah!